Hey guys, I'm Nick. I'm a YouTuber and I'm with my friend.
What's up guys, I'm Alec. Semi-YouTuber as well, I guess. I'm working on it. I'm not this guy's level yet, but Instagram, fitness, whatever you call it, all that stuff. So I'm gonna be teaching Nick here some calisthenics, some fitness, but mostly body weight. We're not doing no weights. We're teaching Nick the real stuff here. We're gonna be doing body weight only.
Yeah, I'm too strong for weights. If that makes sense.
Yeah. That's why he came to me.
And basically Alec is, he's a man of many talents. You'll see him probably in the modeling game, the fitness game, calisthenics game, filmmaking game. That's like his main thing.
But first off, before we start working out, we're getting our pre-workout in. We got our grapes and we got our mushrooms. So you gotta have the correct nutrients in your body before you train.
Wait, so where are you taking me?
We're gonna go to an outdoor park. All we got bars to hang from and bars to hold ourselves over, and that's it.
I had a hot dog with chili on it before I came.
You know,
here,
that'll be okay. That
and
might slow you down a little bit, but you know what? We'll fight through.
All right. All right. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Go.
All right.
All right, so we made it here to the park. First exercise, of course, we're gonna be doing the hardest one to start while muscles are fresh. We're gonna be doing a muscle up. I'm gonna bust a few out and then see if Nick can bust some out too, so.
All right. Oh, snap. Woo! Oh my gosh. I'm supposed to do that? Jeez. Pretty sure I can do a couple of those, so yeah, let's see what happens over here. All right. Is this good arm length?
Think so.
Okay, hold up.
Got this! Hey!
Oh gosh. Okay. Well, there's two right there. First time working out, did two of them on my first try, so not a big deal.
All right, so now moving on to exercise number 2. We're gonna be doing some dips.
Okay.
Ooh. All day, baby.
That's what I'm talking about, Alec. Yeah. Oh my gosh, those muscles. I need some of those.
Let's see how many you got in you, Nick. Let's
All
go.
right. Like this, Alec?
Just like that, you got it.
All right. Ooh, goodness, I'm shaking. Grr. Oh shoot.
Oh yeah. Look at that. No days off. Starting today.
Okay. Whew. I think I did 7. So I'm 6'2". I have a 34 waist and large pectorals, so it doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt to have even bigger pectorals.
All right, guys. Now we're starting to get a little deeper into the workout. Where our muscles are warmed up. We're pumped. We're feeling juiced. So this is the point where the shirt's just gotta come off. Pull-ups.
Wow. You're like a marble statue. Woo. Hey guys, Alex just dominated that pull-up bar. Yeah, I probably won't be able to do it as much, but if I didn't work out earlier, then I probably could. But
I feel.
Here goes nothing.
Oh wait, whoa!
Whoa, what?
You gotta take that shirt off.
No. It's fine. I don't care.
Oh.
I don't care.
Pull-ups, baby, let's go.
What's up? Ah.
Those are solid.
Like that. Hey guys, I'm a little worn out, but Alec's just keeping me motivated over here, so I'm about to do a handstand or whatever. Here we go, I guess.
Here we go.
Okay. Oh frick! Oh frick! Okay, scratch that. Cut that. Time.
Hey.
Nope. No.
Oh.
Okay, that's.
Oh, that was so good. I got too close.
Oh, should I do another one?
Yeah, do another. Pretty good.
I guess I'm Alec now. No big deal.
We're gonna be doing some push-ups on top of the bars. Makes it a little more difficult than doing push-ups on the ground.
See guys, this is not easy.
When we're getting towards the end of the workout, we're getting burned.
Let's go. You got anything to say?
I'm tired. I did a workout earlier. I'm not in shape. I have a lot of excuses. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh no. Okay. No, thank you. Maybe a little more. Okay, there we go. Okay. Gang, gang. Gang, gang, baby. Woo! I think that's harder than a normal push-up. I don't want to go anymore. I have to.
Keep it going.
For the woman.
Burnout.
For the men to inspire. For my mom. Okay.
For Bella.
No more. For Bella, I'm jumping off. Nick learned stuff. Gone wild. Not necessarily wild in an inappropriate way, but. Look at my hair. Alright, we're just done with our workout, and Alec's just using his little baby wipe.
Baby wipes are key to post-workout.
Yes.
And recovery.
I'm a sanitary boy.
We're dirty and now we're clean.
You don't need a shower. Use a baby wipe. My body feels like a stallion that cannot be tamed. Like I could feel like I could, yeah, I could jump over a big boulder or something. How about you, Alec?
That's awesome.
Thank you.
I actually feel like a noodle. That's what my body feels like.
I love noodles.
A ramen noodle.
Linguini. Okay. I say this for this doctor. Hey guys, just got back from the workout and we're back home. We're about to just cook healthily now. I didn't know you were a chef too.
Jack of all trades, baby.
Everyone needs fat, it's healthy.
Uh-huh.
Peppa. Peppa the pig.
Peppa the pig.
I just want to be like Alex, so I'm just gonna toss the vegetables. Nick learns cooking too. What's up?
Linguini.
Linguini, panini, and zucchini.
Oh my gosh. Why is this?
I don't know, I'm scared. Is it my fault? Sorry. Felt Italian. Might delete later.
Signature select. Come on.
Mmm, delish. Healthy bad boys. Okay, don't flex too hard. I still want my women followers to appreciate me as well.
I'm sorry. Taste test.
That's the best tomato I've had in years.
Can you just feel the nutrition just soaking into those muscles you just
Yeah, dude. Is that how it works?
It's like magic, yeah.
I'm gonna try the chicken.
Ooh, the protein. You're already getting bigger as you chew.
Whoa. Delish. Potatoes want me happy. Potatoes want me happy. Or some healthy bad boys. How is it?
It's hot, but it's good.
What's in there?
It's colorful, and that's all that matters.
Just
Ow.
ate our post-workout meal here. We got our proteins, we got our starch, and we got our veggies in. So as long as it's colorful, that means we secured the gains. How was the workout? Did you enjoy bodyweight training?
Yeah, my arms are really sore, and it feels good to be sore. So yeah, I feel like I'm making progress on myself. That's pretty nice, and I ate healthy, so the nutrients went to my muscles, I guess. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully tomorrow I just wake up and I'm a new person. Thank you so much for coming to teach me stuff that you're so good at.
You bet.
Do you think that I did good, or?
I think you did amazing, honestly. Exceeded my expectations. It was so solid. Not that I had bad expectations, but no, you did awesome. All right.
All right. Thanks, guys, for
Is that a wrap?
watching.
That's Nick's Learn Stuff episode
5.
Yeah.
Yes, episode of fitness. 5.
All right.
All right. Bye. Thank you.
Nothing going on here.